Welcome students to Maths Learning Center. In this session, we are going to discuss about methods of writing set. So, let's check here. So, there are two methods of set. First one, listing method, that is also known as roster method, and the second one, rule method, that is known for set builder method. First one, listing method, we are going to discuss in details now. Elements of the set are enclosed within curly brackets. Whenever we are going to write the set in listing form, we have to use curly brackets. Second and important point is each element is written only once. It means there is not a repetition is not allowed in the set. Elements are separated by commas. Elements are separated by commas. So you can check in the example. Here we are going to use some elements and that are differed by commas. And the last one and very important point, the order of writing the elements in a set is not important. So here we can write 1 2 3 4 or 4 2 3 1, that no matter. Take second example. P is the set of even natural numbers up to the 100. So here we are writing even natural numbers start with 2, after that 4, 6, 8, dot 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 up to 100. So it is very time consuming to write all the even natural numbers here. That's why we are using dot 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 and the last natural number, that is 100. Examples for listing method. So first example is letters in a word complement. Letters in a word complement. So here we are going to write all the letters in word complement. So first look here, C, after that O, M, P, L, E, M, N and T. Okay, we here E is repeating for two times, that's why we are going to write it only for one time, because we know that repetition is not allowed in the set. So we are writing E only for one time. Similarly, you can see the second example, set of human sensory organs. We know that there are five sensory organs, that are ear, tongue, nose, skin and eyes. And that's why we are going to write all sensory organs in details. That is our listing form. Similarly, third example is that set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. So here we are going to write all prime numbers between 1 to 20. That is, C is the set in curly brackets 2, 3, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19 are the prime numbers between 1 to 20. Now second method is our rule method, that is also known as set builder method. In this method, we write general element like x using variable followed by vertical line or colon. So we are writing one general element, that is x, and one vertical line or colon you can say here, that is we are going to read such a that write the property of the variables. Means here we are going to mention one property. Okay, using that we can find exactly what elements are in between there. Let us take one example. A is the set of all x such that x belongs to natural number. It means it is belongs to the natural number, comma 1 is less than x less than 10. Okay. So here x, it means x is lie between 1 and 10. And hence the elements of a set are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, we are not taking here 1 and 10 because of this condition. We'll take some more example. Our first example for listing method is C is the set equals to A, E, I, O, U are the elements of C, and we are going to write this set by using listing method. So you can see in next step we are writing C is equals to the set of all x such that x is a vowel in English alphabet. Now look at the second example. Set A is given as 1, 4, 9, 16 and 25. We know that these all numbers are squares, and it is our last number is 25. So we can write here A is the set of all x such that x equals to n square. We are taking square of a number, and which numbers? That is small n. Small n belongs to natural number because it is started with 1 and it is less than 6. So here we are going to take value of n are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And here you can check the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares are present in the set A. I hope you understand. These are the some example for practice. Write down in your notebook. We'll discuss these examples in next session. Thank you.